guys, Annie Falstich. Welcome to Scandia Circle. I wanted to start you in the heart of the home because this custom kitchen is incredible. This open concept floor plan is going to walk you straight out to the dock, no steps, through your grassy yard. Then you're opening up to this incredible great room. You guys, floor to ceiling windows, and check out that floor to ceiling stone fireplace. You're going to want to check this place out. Okay guys, welcome to a part of the house that I did not want you to miss. I am so excited about this. It's something I have not seen in any other property, and it is this master wing. It is incredible. So stay with me as I quickly take you through this tour just off of this huge master suite, which is just off of the living room, all on the main level. Now you've got this massive custom bathroom. Behind me, huge walk-in closet with a second laundry, shower for many, straight into your own sauna and gym. Just on the other side, home office.